Olivia, what are you doing? Oh, here, let's make it straight. What are you doing, baby? Olivia! Are you sitting up by yourself? Look over here at Mama. There comes Zoe.
Taking a video?
Yeah. Olivia, hi, baby! Look over here. Hi, sweet baby! What are you doing? Are you sitting up by yourself? Are you sitting up all by yourself? Zoe, get back, please. I just changed her diaper. You don't need help. Are you sitting up like a big girl all by yourself? Are you doing it all by yourself? Good girl. Good job. Now you gonna watch TV? No? Yes? I love you.